All right, so check it out. It's Saturday morning. They saw it on the club page that they're gonna do this hill country run. It's something that I guess they've been doing since 2012, and they go to a lot of different places. From what I understand from reading it, because it was kind of almost a last minute thing to run out here, is that they go out and we do a ride and they stop and do a little trail, and then we shop at one of the oldest convenience stores in Texas, and then go eat and then go eat lunch at a here we go again. And then they go eat lunch at a Bent Grill, I think, restaurant. I had to look at the stuff, but anyway, so came out here, and they're about to head out in a few minutes, but there's a pretty good deal of Jeeps out here. There's a pretty good deal of Jeeps out here. So I'm gonna go around here, join this meeting, and see what rules and everything they got to put out, and we're gonna get this thing moving. So I'll let you see the Jeeps while I'm walking over there. So we still on the ride. I think we got about 20 or so Jeeps out here. We stopped to, I think you see it in the background, Garven Store. I think this is supposed to be one of the oldest convenience stores in Texas. So I guess we stop in here, go in here, look around, buy some stuff if we need to, move on to the next stop, and we'll see what happens. So it's a good group of people out here trying to have a little fun. So we'll catch y'all later. Man, I know you. I've seen you somewhere before. I figured out. Ooh, look at that. Changing life. Peacocks, y'all. What are they, trained not to come out the fence? Well, there was one. What are they, like dogs? Oh, there's a bunch of them over there. They're on the other side. There they are. They're all bunched up over there. I think they like dogs. Them jokers trained. They ain't coming outside this fence. If I can get our dog to be trained like that, might be on to something. Or get humans trained to do that. I thought you left me by myself. Journey's such a butt face. And got Mimi. Whoa!
Put your hood up. Put your hood up.
Boy, somebody got nerves of steel. Got the top off. Too cold for that. So yeah, got all the Jeeps lined up back there, and we pulled in for lunch at the Bent Rim Grill. And we out here in yeah, I ain't got a clue where we at. Don't really know where we at. We out here in the middle of nowhere. We took some long, windy road and ended up here for this lunch at this Bent Rim Grill. So we're gonna go in and get some food, see what's happening. Think they can get into it. So I'm out here at Bent Grill in Leakey, Texas, and they got some bad rigs out here. They got some nice rigs, a bunch of nice JKs, a bunch of nice gels, a few JTs, like this one right here. These spindle liners in there, all that custom stuff. This guy right here, he's hiding behind the door, but he's gonna have to stick his head out there sometime or another. Matthew, right?
Yes, sir.
That guy, he's a painter. He does that. I can tell you what it is, but you can see what it is. Hold on. Don't you move. Custom body work, custom paint work. Where you located?
Honey Creek on Highway 46. Spring Branch.
Spring Branch, Highway 46. Don't ask me where that is, because y'all know I ain't from Texas. I have no clue where that is, but y'all know where it is. What's the name of your shop?
Honey Creek Paint and Collision.
Honey Creek Paint and Collision. Go check them out. You need body work, go check them out. So then I'm coming along, and right next to him is another Jeep. And they're driving.
How's it going?
Rocking a event. I just let, hold on y'all. Hold on y'all.
There we go.
There it is, right there. On the front of the windshield.
Adventures.
Rocking A. Rockin' A. Look at this thing.
I'm David. We're out here in the hill country and we go wheeling all over out here, so hit us up.
See? Y'all make y'all shots. Good Lord. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to Rockin' A Adventures.
I appreciate
David,
it, that's for sure.
And that Jeep, well, they're all Jeeps, man. Anyway, we talking about Jeeps out here. Y'all know what we're talking about, but y'all make sure y'all subscribe to his channel. Check him out. He's got a lot of good content. He's gonna add some more to it, so we got some good stuff coming. And don't let me forget that we did bring the JK out today and the JT. We got both of them. Just out for a nice ride.
Yeah.
Some other folks we met out here.
Hey.
Driving this JK over here. The only reason I'm talking to them because they got a sticker on there that says Southwest Florida. I don't really care about these people. They represent Florida. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
What's your name?
Andrea.
Andrea?
Ernest.
And Ernest. They ain't from Florida, but who cares? No, I'm just kidding. Nice to meet y'all.
Same here.
Go right down there.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and find out.
See, that's what happens when you go to a Jeep event. You always meet good folks. That's the way it is. So we're gonna bounce out of here. We got another stop to go to. We'll see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, so I made it back home. Got both the JK and the JT back in one piece. We went out this morning on a ride that was supposed to go out, follow some route, because it's some history behind the hill country run thing that we were supposed to be doing today. When you go out, they do some water crossings on a couple trails, through a scenic part of Texas, the hill country, and then we're supposed to go to the Bet Grill, which we did go to. We had lunch, and then I guess go to some more trails. Some of the trails were supposed to be in there, and then go on to the apple capital of Texas. But what happened was we got to the Bet Grill, went through a lot of hill country, and it was nice out there. Beautiful place, very scenic, nice area. A lot of wild animals, which is cool with me because, you know, I'm country, so I like stuff like that. Couple different animals because it's different environment, but it's cool. And so we got to the big grill. We had lunch there, met a lot of good folks, and then we left there, and then we had an issue, so we had to go ahead and leave. So we didn't do the rest of the trip. So we made it back home because, like I said, we had to take a slight detour, and now we're back. Didn't go all as well as planned, but you know, that's how it is sometimes. But the great thing is we met a lot of cool Jeepers, and that's the coolest thing of the day is we met a lot of good folks out there that drive Jeeps. We just met a lot of cool people, period. One person that matter of fact, a couple people that we made good friends with is Matthew from the body shop, and we met Dave from Rockin' A Adventures. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to Dave's YouTube channel. Really cool guy. Can't wait to go hang out with Dave some more. Go wheeling with him a couple times. Maybe I can grab a couple other people. We can make an event out of it. I don't know. But anyway, met some cool people. So it was still a good day. And we made it back in one piece, so can't get any better than that. Oh yeah, and don't forget y'all make sure y'all click like and subscribe and keep checking out the channel. And oh, yeah, check it out. Got my little thing right here, my little decal for my Change Your Life YouTube video. Hey, I got the Cricut, I got this laser engraver thing. I'm playing around with some stuff, getting a few headaches, but still having a little fun making some new stuff, some crafts, I guess. I don't know, stuff for the Jeep. Well, I have the Cricut for a while, so the Cricut's a little bit different. It's that other laser engraver thing that I got now that I'm trying to figure out. But anyway, I'm making some new stuff, making some cool stuff, you know, for my channel and everything. It's working out all right. But anyway, enough of that. I will see y'all next time. Stay safe. Don't forget to smile and go out and change your life. Peace out, y'all. Oh, she said he wouldn't come up to us. He coming up. Oh, he looking like he want to do something. Hey, man, calm down, bro. I'm just trying to be nice. Boy, he got a mean look on him, don't he? Don't do it, cuz. Don't do it. Ain't got no rope with me. What you trying to say? Now, I ain't scared of no cows, but he looking at me like he want to hit it. Journey, he finna chase me. Like he want to play. Come this way. Come on. Is he trying to play or what? If I get behind him and put them horns on him, let me see if I can get him to chase him. Come on. Come on, man. I'm trying to play with you, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now we having some fun. Come on. Well, fun over. Come on, man. Man, this is the most fun I've had all day. Well. He got chased by the cows. They came around that corner pretty fast. Okay. All right, hey, man, it's good. They don't look friendly. Guess cows don't like when you eat, bother when they eat neither. You don't mess with a man when he eat. Bro, hell. Excuse me, anybody that wanna, you? No, not you. You wasn't the one. Oh, y'all look alike. I don't know. Y'all look alike.